Friends, we are eligible for an airdrop. That is right, an airdrop. If you have been following our crypto airdrop guides for the last year, then you should be eligible for 2024's first airdrop known as Dymension. Not only that, but we are expecting over $500 million in token unlocks. Solscan has been officially bought out, and so much more crypto news that you do not want to miss this week. So, welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. My friends, let's jump straight into the video. Now, let's start off with the first article, which is absolutely insane, and HSBC is advancing their digital currency and CBDC pilots in Hong Kong. Guys, this is absolutely huge news. HSBC is one of the world's largest banks, and for CBDC pilots to come out now at the beginning of 2024 is absolutely astronomically huge. So let's dive into this article because I believe it's very important to the future of crypto, and this could very well initiate a big pump. So, HSBC Hong Kong is accelerating its work with local authorities on the implementation of digital currencies for cross-border payments. In an interview with the South China Morning Post, HSBC HK CEO Luan Lim said the bank also plans to engage in tokenization of financial instruments and central bank digital currencies pilots in Hong Kong to bring efficiency, transparency, and lower costs to traditional finance. Those specific details were not disclosed. HSBC at the forefront of financial experimentation in Hong Kong. In June 2023, the bank allowed its client to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum futures through its investment platform, marking a pioneering move in the city. Subsequently, in November 2023, HSBC partnered with a Ripple-owned firm for a blockchain initiative catering to institutional clients with an interest in real-world assets, RWA, hosted on-chain. Guys, that is a key word right there, real-world assets. That is the narrative we're looking for. Meanwhile, regulatory bodies like the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, and the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, also known as the HKMA, have expressed their readiness to accept applications for authorizing funds with cryptocurrency exposure. In early December, analysts at PitchBook revealed that more than 11% of global venture capital funding in the blockchain and crypto sector was directed towards enterprises based in Hong Kong and Singapore, signifying a substantial increase from the meager 2% allocation observed in 2021. Now, this is a very short article, my friends, and it's not telling us which cryptocurrencies are going to be used for the CBDC pilot or for cross-border payments in general. However, we do know that Hong Kong are going to release their very own currency, a digital currency, just like the British pound has been orchestrated and will be coming out very soon and distributed by the Bank of England. This will be the same case with Hong Kong. They're testing and piloting their very own CBDC so that in the future we'll be using digital currencies through banks just like HSBC and many others around the world. Now, Hong Kong is clearly going to be the first ones to do it, or one of the first anyway. The British pound has been rumored for a very long time, but it's more than just a rumor now. It is a fact, guys. And if you don't believe me, you can take a look online. So if I type in the digital pound on Google, you'll see at the top of the list, bankofengland.co.uk, the digital pound. You can take a look at everything you need to know on this website about the digital pound. It goes to show, guys, that they really are progressing with this. Look, talks about CBDCs, got everything you need to know, guys. There's so much information, and you're telling me that it's not coming out. Good luck, my friends. But let's move on to the next article, which is not related to CBDCs. Yet we are going to be talking about over $500 million in token unlocks coming in January. Now, crypto token unlocks are events that influence prices of cryptocurrencies. Typically, an unlock increases the volume of assets in circulation, contributing to the selling pressure. Unlocks in Aptos, Injective, Optimism, Sui, and Axie Infinity are scheduled for January 2024, all of which are top 100 cryptocurrencies. Now, crypto tokens Apt, Inj, Op, Sui, and AXS prices are rallying ahead of their token unlock events scheduled for January 2024. Unlocks increase the circulating supply of the asset and offer market participants the opportunity to shed their holdings, weighing on crypto prices. Cryptocurrencies face $580 million in token unlocks in January, according to token unlock data. 24.84 million Aptos tokens worth $234.76 million will be unlocked on January 12th. The unlock will offer 1.33 million Aptos to the foundation, 3.21 to the community, 11.88 million to core contributors, and 8.42 million to investors. The $235 million worth of Aptin tokens unlocked could push the asset prices lower. At the time of writing, Aptos is priced at $9.48 $0.78, up 34% in the past month and nearly 2% in the past week. Aptos's price is likely to decline. Post the November 12th unlock, it dropped nearly 20%, and in the week following December 12th, it dropped nearly 17% as seen in the chart below. So it's very clear that token unlocks do make a little dip within the price, and obviously gives an opportunity for people to sell, however also gives an opportunity for people to buy. A little bit of yin and yang. Now, Inge price is up nearly 6% ahead of the January 21st unlock event. 3.67 million Inge tokens will be unlocked soon. The previous unlock was on August 21st, 2023. The Inge advisors and team will receive 333,000 Inge and 3.33 million Inge tokens respectively. Optimism unlock is scheduled for January 30th, 2024, and 24.16 million OP tokens worth $87.7 million will likely enter circulation. Core contributors and investors will receive the unlocked tokens, and for Sui, 34.62 million tokens worth $27.88 million will be unlocked on January 3rd, which is today at the time of making this video. Previous unlock event on December 31st unlocked 4 million Sui tokens worth $3.22 million, and Sui is up nearly 10% in the last week. On the other hand, we've got Axie Infinity, which is set to unlock 3.43 million AXS tokens worth $31.24 million on January 18th, 2024. The previous unlock occurred on October 20th. At the time of writing, AXS is priced at $8.83, and the asset is yielded 36% monthly gains for holders. Absolutely superb. Now, we can see that there's a lot coming out in the next month, guys. Be very cautious with these tokens if you're holding any of them. You might find yourself a good selling opportunity, or better yet, if you are one of these holders and a believer of one of these tokens, you can get yourself a bigger buying opportunity if you watch out for any dips after the token unlocks. Now, let's move on to the next article, which I thought would be a fun one to look out for because artificial intelligence is obviously the future, and they are giving us some crypto predictions for 2024. Now, these are some questions asked to AI. Will Bitcoin reach a new all-time high in 2024? Well, Google Bard found it challenging to predict the future price for a volatile asset like Bitcoin, but it eventually gave in and dared answer based on analysts' views. Based on its all-around knowledge, Bitcoin's 2024 price high will peak at a new all-time high of around $120,000. Several analysts have predicted that Bitcoin could reach 120k in 2024. These predictions are based on various factors, including the Bitcoin halving, growing adoption, regulatory clarity, and the potential for a spot Bitcoin ETF, exchange-traded fund approval. Bard's estimated Bitcoin's general price for 2024 to be between $50,000 and $120,000. The range is wide, an easy way to achieve a successful prediction. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's price is hanging around $42,000. Therefore, Bitcoin reaching 50k in 2024 is not a wild idea. And to be honest, right now, this article is behind. It's $45,000 worth, and we're only 5k away from reaching that price point. The next question, when will the SEC approve a spot Bitcoin ETF? The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US is expected to inject trillions of dollars into the crypto market. 8 countries already have this investment fund mechanism, including neighboring Canada. Crypto investors are restless to hear the US SEC Commission's final decision regarding the possible approval. There are currently numerous proposals for spot Bitcoin ETFs, with several companies hoping to join the front lines of this new gold rush. The SEC has thus far been reluctant to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. As Bard pointed out, the SEC is concerned about the lack of regulation, Bitcoin's volatility, and the potential manipulation of crypto markets. According to Bard, the following factors could influence the SEC's decision: the development of a reliable, regulated spot Bitcoin market, the growing adoption of Bitcoin by institutions, the overall regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. These would weigh in most of the influence for the SEC's decision. The SEC certainly feels the pressure, especially given that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager and one of several spot Bitcoin ETF applicants, boasts a 575 to 1 ETF approval rate. BlackRock's experience with ETF provides the SEC with a reliable actor for its launch. I completely agree. Bard and ChatGPT were asked when the SEC would approve such a spot Bitcoin ETF. Bard predicted early 2024, while ChatGPT said January, but remarked on the possibility of having to wait until April 2024, based on the opinion of Steven Schoenfeld, a former BlackRock executive. I mean, January is right around the corner, guys. We're literally in January, so I don't know if that's going to happen in this month. Personally, April could be the most likely option, seeing as we're very close to the halving as well. That to me would be a very good prediction, and that's probably what I'm going to go with. What are the upcoming trends for 2024? Well, most in the crypto community believe 2024 will be a promising, positive year due to the bullish conditions for Bitcoin's price. Each AI has a different approach concerning the future trends within the crypto industry. So, Bard's approach is pinned on institutional investment. The Google AI predicted that 2024 will see growth in crypto adoption by institutions as they use digital assets to store value or hedge against inflation. Cryptocurrency prices will rise as investments from institutions become mainstream. So we can see this Bitcoin and traditional assets ROI versus USD between 1 to 14 years. Look at that, guys, 6.4 billion% rise for Bitcoin in a 14-year lifetime. Insane. Now, when it comes to S&P 500, 315%, and when it comes to gold, only 80%. That is measly compared to Bitcoin. ChatGPT, on the other hand, focuses on a more technical level, predicting 5 upcoming trends. Decentralized private identifiers, DPINs. This is the first time I've heard of this. Advancements in privacy-focused solutions are expected from cryptographic identifiers that allows users to control their personal data securely. Now that sounds like a very good narrative that I will definitely be looking out for, and I'll see which cryptocurrencies cover this specific narrative. Stay tuned, as we'll be making a video covering this in the future. Restaking protocols, very, very true. Lido DAO, Rocket Pool, EigenLayer, these are all protocols that allow you to restake your staked cryptocurrencies and earn more. Data availability layers, as blockchain networks grow, ensuring data availability becomes crucial. New layers will enhance data storage and retrieval mechanisms. This is absolutely vital to the lifeline of crypto. Real world asset tokenization, RWA, guys, is one of the biggest and will be the biggest narrative in the world. I don't know why it's listed as number 4, but this is my favorite narrative, and we've been covering the RWA narrative for a very long time. And obviously, guys, AI, this is written by AI itself as well. Crypto in AI is absolutely going to thrive. We've got so many gems such as Singularity Net, Fetch AI, B-Cube, and so many more. AI is a narrative definitely worth keeping an eye on, and I would definitely recommend holding some AI tokens. What does AI think about the crypto AI? Well, here are the few points that it's given. AI is a proven technology with a wide range of applications. True. The crypto space is a large and growing market. True. There are a number of startups and established companies developing AI solutions for the crypto space. True. That even goes with the ChatGPT owner himself, which made WorldCoin. And the government is starting to support the development of AI in the crypto space. True. So this is all huge for crypto. AI is going to be a huge narrative. Keep an eye on it and stay tuned, my friends. So that is pretty much that article, guys. I want to go through a new article that is very brief and is on Twitter, and is the acquisition of Solscan, which is Solana's very own Etherscan and Explorer. So Solscan has officially been bought out and is now owned by Etherscan, the largest explorer for Ethereum and pretty much every explorer out there. So we can see this little article here from Etherscan. Etherscan expands blockchain data services with Solscan acquisition. We're excited to announce that Solscan, a prominent block explorer for the Solana ecosystem, has joined Etherscan. This collaborative merging continues our ongoing efforts to improve the accessibility of blockchain data across multiple networks. Since its founding in 2021, Solscan has served over 3 million monthly users. Solscan has many features that are familiar to users of Etherscan, including detailed address, token, and transactional information, as well as APIs, dashboards, and NFT metadata. The Solscan team has proven their expertise over the years by offering detailed insights and analytics. Their expertise in making blockchain data accessible and user-friendly also aligns perfectly with our mission at Etherscan. Now, what's next, they said? We will continue executing on our vision of providing incredibly neutral and equitable access to blockchain data. Integration of additional useful features across explorers, enhanced support, and a more seamless user experience. We are deeply committed to helping the entire blockchain community fulfill its promise and gain mainstream adoption. With this new addition to the team, we hope to contribute further to the ecosystem, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you, the team of Etherscan. Now, this was written today, just to let you know. So currently this is Solscan's website. I think it's a very cool website, guys. It is pretty clear. However, there is nothing better than Etherscan. Etherscan has the most features available. You can see everything you need to know about the Ethereum network. And the great thing is, guys, my favorite feature of all is if you go to more, you can go to token approvals and you can actually revoke token contracts to increase the security of your wallet. So say if you've approved 100 USDC in your wallet, you can come on here, type in your wallet address just like so, go up top, copy to clipboard, paste it in here, search, and you'll see if there's token approvals, you can literally revoke them down here. And you can do this pretty much on any network, as most EVM compatible networks have an explorer that are integrated with Etherscan. However, Solscan does not have that ability right now. They have got other features that we're missing, and that's why they've been acquired by the leading team Etherscan to upgrade this and make it better for Solana users. Now, enough of that, guys. Let's move on to the final article, which is extremely exciting, and that is for us to claim our very first airdrop of 2024. Now, I'm going to mention Axel Bitblaze, the guy who made me aware of being eligible for this airdrop. I wasn't eligible because of Axel Bitblaze, however, I know I am eligible thanks to this tweet that he has posted. Now, This amazing tweet tells us everything we need to know about the eligibility of claiming the DIM, or also known as Dymension Airdrop. So the criteria for Cosmos users: Celestia stakers, also known as TIA, all you needed to do was stake one TIA on the 19th of December and you would have got the snapshot. Same with Atom. If you staked one Atom, fantastic. If you staked one staked Atom, fantastic. And if you staked a minimum of 10 Osmo, then you would be eligible under the Cosmos address. Now, for Ethereum Layer 2 users, active addresses on Arbitrum, Optimism, Based, and Blast based on various metrics including amounts bridged and activity on the rollup. Guys, we've done plenty of this and that should make us eligible for this airdrop, and I will show you very much so. For Sol users, active addresses as of December 19th, compiled from various protocols including Wormhole, Tensor, and Drip. Now, I'm pretty sure I did the Drip one before the December 19th. We'll have to check if we're eligible for our Solana address. However, I should be eligible for Solana, Ethereum, and Cosmos, so that is absolutely superb. For NFT holders, if you've got the Bad Kids Art NFT, if you've got Pudgy Penguins, if you've got Mad Lads, or Tensorians, you are eligible, my friends. The claim ends on the 21st of January, so we've got to be quick. But one thing to mention is, guys, be very careful. I'm going to be connecting my wallet and I'm going to be claiming these tokens. I believe it's safe. I can't 100% confirm. I'm not a genie. I'm not a whiz. However, I do believe it to be safe, and that is why I'm going to continue. Each to their own, so make sure you do your own research. However, to check if you're eligible, you don't actually have to connect your wallet. All you have to do is go up to the top, copy your wallet address, and I'm going to be checking my Ethereum one first. So if I paste it in here, click check. It says, congratulations, you are eligible. Now all we have to do is click claim down here. Click accept. It says, congrats, the following Dymension address will receive at least the following amount of DIM on Genesis. Minimum amount to be received, 49 DIM. So I can click claim more addresses and it will tell me how many more tokens I will get. So if I click Solana, for example, go into my Phantom wallet, I want to copy and paste my wallet address. So I click Solana, click paste, click check. You're not eligible. Roll Drop Season 2 is coming soon, so guys, if you didn't get this airdrop for any of these addresses, you can try again just by staying tuned. Now try a different address. Let's try my Cosmos address, which if I paste it in here, and I click check, I'm not eligible for that one. However, if I do my Osmosis address and select the chain just by going to Osmo, clicking paste, click check, congratulations, you are eligible. So I'd go over here, you connect your wallet, and then you'll be able to claim with that. Going back, I'm also a staker and holder of the Stargaze token, which is also available for us. So if I click Stargaze, paste my Stargaze wallet address, which is available in your Kepler wallet if you are a Stargaze or Osmo or Cosmos holder, click check, and I'm not eligible for that one. So I'm eligible for both Osmo and the Ethereum airdrops. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm going to claim these tokens, and if you want to read more about it, you can check it out all on this website. Dymension is a modular blockchain designed to be secure and interconnect rollups using the inter-blockchain communication standard. So you can see that all down here. Eligibility criteria, delegators of TIA as of December with a minimum of 1 token and a cap of 5,000 tokens. You can see it with Ethereum Layer 2s, Cosmos, Solana, and the NFTs. Now, we've got a Medium article which you can read here, and I'll leave linked in the description below. However, this is an important part to read. This opportunity is available until 21st of January at 12 AM UTC, after which unclaimed balances will be reallocated. The displayed claim amount is the minimum. 100% of allocated tokens will be immediately accessible at the Genesis block of Dymension's mainnet. Genesis Roll Drop represents the start of roll drop seasons that will incentivize ecosystem users and builders. A significant allocation of 70 million DIM, equivalent to 7% of the total supply, will be distributed as part of the Genesis rollup. Economics and roadmap documents that go into detail about the utility and functionality of DIM will be released in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for information about participating in future roll drop seasons and incentive programs. Check the eligibility of your Genesis address here. So guys, if you're eligible, congratulations, you've got an airdrop. On the 21st of January, guys, we should see how much roughly we'll get in US dollar value. Hopefully it's a nice amount. Hopefully the Dymension airdrop was completely worth it. You'll have to connect using your MetaMask wallet if you want to claim these tokens, just to let you know. That's what I've been told anyway. I could be completely wrong. However, you do need to connect your Osmosis wallet if you are going to be claiming from that one instead. However, guys, that is basically it. At the moment, at the beginning of this year, we are sitting at a $1.74 trillion market cap. Only $260 billion away from reaching $2 trillion. Absolutely insane. Volume is up around $72 billion, which is 17.72% up in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 51%, while Ethereum is at 16%. 16.4%, and the rest of the market is holding the rest. Ethereum Gwei is sitting at 14, which is absolutely superb. And if you are doing any Ethereum transactions, now would be the time, as Ethereum gas fees are fairly cheap right now. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 74 out of 100. Absolutely superb. That is fairly greedy, and we want to go at this sort of pace. We don't want to rush into any sort of bull market now. Well, I don't anyway. I want one more buying opportunity, but I don't know about you. So the halving is in 111 days, guys. That is huge stuff. In Q2, we'll see Bitcoin halving take place, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what will happen with Bitcoin and the crypto market. However, my friends, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DJs.